Okay guys, welcome to Tech Freak. Today we will unbox the boAt 235 V2 Bluetooth headset. So we will unbox it. I have bought it from Flipkart for 999 rupees only. So here is our boAt headset. So in the box we have it headset, we got micro USB cable, okay, and some earbuds. Let me take it out. Okay, so as you can see we have plus, pause and play button, and we have forward and backward or plus or minus volume buttons. Okay, as I have used this headset for 2 to 3 days and I have noticed that it don't have low and mids crisp as it should be, but you have high and bass, extreme bass. You will love it if you love the bass. For 999 rupees I think it is a great deal.